Yeah, hello. G'day everybody, I haven't brought my guitar today, I've brought my guitar player. So that's the better one, I think, you know what I mean? He plays a little bit better than I do. Yeah, rubbish. What was that? Don't worry. Be happy, yeah. When your life is in some trouble, don't worry, you make it double, don't worry. Be happy, don't worry, be happy. Don't worry, be happy now. It's alright, Pete, just for you, mate. Alright. When I wrote your letter, I didn't believe that you'd gone. I called your number, but nobody answered the phone. I asked your friends to tell me if they knew where you were. Girl, you were real. Oh, I know it. It's all right. Thank you very much, Rob. I appreciate you giving me the courage of the chords and everything like that. I thought I was up here to do a singing song, but not a comedy act. But it's all right. All right, here we go. Ready? Let's get to do it again. What? Right. I hired a detective to try and find out where you are. He managed to trace you. He said you were living in France. Oh la la. A watchman saw you drive into someone else's car and drive off laughing in the night. Why didn't you tell me? And not leave me this way. Oh, you should have told me. And not waited for so long. Enough on the hook here. I tried to forget you, but I found myself walking the streets. I went to the doctor, but he gave me something to sleep. I hope you're satisfied, you won't hear from me again. I hope you're pleased with what you've done. Why didn't you tell me? For so long. No, you should have told me. And not waited for so long. So long. Thank you very much for that. So long. I hope you're satisfied. Done the same to me for so long. I hope you're pleased with what you've done. Why didn't you show me? And not waited for so long. No, you should have called me. And not waited for so long. This is getting low now. Hang on a second. connections, I don't know. What's wrong with you, Gary? Sitting over there on your bloody chair. You just see this thing going. Now needs to go. Come on, now. Thanks, mate. Appreciate it. You wanted this to be a comedy game, didn't you? Yeah. Now. Which one do you want to do that, All right, Jimmy, come on, where are you, Jim? Yeah, me! Of course he bloody well has. Fine! All right, we'll do it in the hell. What's going on? Now, I'm not going to play this one because I don't know. He knows how to do it. He does. All right, here we go. Yeah, this is the part you always... That's all right. We're amongst friends. It's not time to make a change. Just sit down and take it easy. You're still young, that's your fault. There's so much you have to go through. Find a girl and settle down. If you want you to marry, look at me. I'm bloody old, but I'm happy. Well, I was once like you are now. And I know that it's not easy to be calm when you find something going on. Take your time and think a lot. Think of everything you've got. You will still be here tomorrow, but your dreams may not. How can I try to explain when they're doing turns away, and it's always on the same old story. From the moment I could talk, I was ordered to listen. Now there's a way, and I know that I'd have to go away. I know I have to go. It's not time to make a change. Just sit back and take it easy. You're still young, that's your fault. There's so much you have to go through. Find a girl and settle down. If you want, you can marry. Look at me, I'm old, but I'm happy. Yeah. All the times that I cried, getting all the things I knew inside was hard, but it's harder to ignore them. If they were right, well, I'd agree, but it's them that own, not me. Now there's a way, and I know that I have to go away, and I know I have to go. There you go, thank you very much. Hey Jimmy, don't take a big mouthful, mate. You're going to get yourself bum up here now. You're not coming up? Fuck you then. Fine, eat your food. Fine. All right. Professionalism, I tell you. I can't even fit that in there. Do I not behave? Shh. All right, I'll be quiet. Fine. All right. Now I play this one quite a bit here. But tonight I've got Pete with me, and Jimmy was going to get up, but he's too busy feeding his face. It's fine. Hey, don't say that, Trish. Alright. Oh, we got a bit of volume? Is it working out there? Can you hear it? Right, test 1, 2. Oh, that's the microphone, sorry. Alright, I think I've got it right. Is that the right tune? Is that the right tuning? Is it? Alright, there we go. So there's the expert. I can't do that. Mama, take this badge from me. I can't use it. Hang on. Can you start again? Yeah, sure. Yeah. He's stuffed up, you see. Now so I've got to start again. It's a time to make a change. Wrong song? Oh, right, okay. Oh, Mama, thank you. Well, you told me to shut up. You said I'm having fun here tonight, it's good. Hey. Sorry, mate. Sorry, Pete. You're enjoying every step. Look at him smile, and he's like, this is like an issue. Ah! I'm just wondering how we do at the comedy club. Actually, that's a good idea. Hey, Jimmy, we're going to follow you down there, son. I'm back now. Third time lucky, eh? Mama, take this badge from me, for I can't use it anymore. It's getting dark to see, and I feel I'm knocking on heaven's door. 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 Mama, put my guns to the ground, or I can't shoot them anymore. That cloud is coming down, and I feel I'm knocking on heaven's door. Oh, I'm knocking on heaven's door. And I'm knocking on heaven's door. Oh, I'm knocking on heaven's door. I'm knocking on heaven's door.
mama, put my guns to the ground. For I can't shoot them anymore. Kind of long white cloud is coming down, and I feel I'm knocking on heaven's door. No, 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 knocking on heaven's door. Well, I'm knocking on heaven's door. Well, I'm knocking on heaven's door. Well, I'm knocking on the door. Now, mama, take this badge off of me, or I can't use it anymore. That long black cloud, I can tell you I can't see, 'cause I feel I'm knocking on that door. Well, I'm knocking on heaven's door. Well, I'm knocking on heaven's door. No, 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 knocking on heaven's door. Now, baby, no, no, knocking on heaven's door. No, knocking on the door. Knocking on the door. Oh, Lord. Guys, that's my three. And 3/4 and a bit more, and a little bit of fun in there. Thank you.
First of all, let's give it up for Ross, because I thought that was like really close this time to where we're going to get married. It's going to be great. Yeah, Ross. We're all filming it. So good. And now Shan's come back and she reckons that we might have figured out another to do with a handpan. I'm kind of excited because I've never done it before. Let's go.
So close, no matter how far. Couldn't be much more from the heart. Trust in who we are.
Okay, you see it here first, the jam with the handpan. And then jam. Only at the brushing club.
We'll work on it.
We will work on this handpan at the brushing club. Handpan. Wait. I feel like, okay, if we keep Shannon Pam with the handpan. Shannon Pam with the handpan. Jam. Handpan jam. Yes, Shannon Pam with the handpan jam.
It's our debut.
It's our debut performance. We're going to have to make t-shirts. It's going to be so much fun.
With UFOs.
With UFOs.
Yes.
It has to be UFO t-shirts. That's the logo. That's what we're doing.
I'm sorry.
It's happening. We're all in. By 660, and I'm sure that they called themselves 660 just so that when they tour Australia you have to say the number 6 a million times, being a Kiwi. This one is called a pepeha, and it's about identifying your lineage not just to your culture but to your country. Oh, and it's in 2 languages, so I'll translate it for you.
absolutely no idea where I left my beer, so I'm just going to play on. Really? Like, never leave a man behind, I know, but I feel like it's not coming back. I'm going to let it go. Does anybody know the words to this song? Because I feel like I might know how to play it, but I actually don't know the words. Actually, maybe I don't know how to play it either, but we're going to try it.
What's the song?
Would you know my name
Tears in Heaven.
if I saw you in heaven? Would you be the same if I saw you in heaven? I must be strong. Oh wait. I must be strong. What chord comes after that? Carry on. No, that's as far as I know. That's as far as I go, but I'm like, yeah, that's what you get for trying things that are just in your head because that's where they are. Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can now fallen in love with you. Shall I say, would it be a sin when I can't fall in love with you? Like the river flows gently to the sea, darling, no one knows how some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too. When I take our whole lives through. When I can't fall in love with you. Time for like one more song. What do we feel like doing? Old, new, or original? Do we want to wiggle or do we want to cry? What do we what do we want to do? What do we want to do today? I do. I right out of this and for this gift. Well, at the best, forget how to smile and taste so well. I guess it makes me smile. Hello, 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 hello. He's always been to know when he's real until the end. She found it hard to find. Well, whatever, never mind. Hello, 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 hello. Thanks so much, ladies and gentlemen. I've been Pam Hata. This has been Brushy Pub, open mic every second Thursday, 5:30 to 8:30. Thank you to 953 Live Sound for making us look cool. 1047 and 2GF Radio for the support. We'll see you guys in a fortnight.